Take all the parts out of the box. Security camera, LCD monitor, mounting bracket, power adapter with USB-C, screws, user manual. Option 1. Secure the camera with screws. Step 1. Pass a screw through the screw hole on the camera mount. Step 2. Align the screw with an expansion nut that has been pre-inserted into the wall, or insert the expansion nut into the pre-drilled hole. Step 3. Tighten the screw to expand the nut, and firmly fix the bracket to the wall. Then align the camera with the bracket slot, and clip it in to fix the camera. Push upward until you hear a click sound. The camera has no built-in battery and needs to be powered by the provided USB-C power adapter. Plug the USB-C end into the camera's USB-C port. Plug the charger into the power outlet. Repeat the same wiring steps for the second camera. Press and hold the power button on the top of the monitor to turn it on. Please ensure the camera is powered on first. Use the up, down, left, and right buttons on the monitor to adjust the camera's viewing angle. The monitor has a built-in battery that takes about 6-7 hours to fully charge on first use. Check the battery level using the battery icon on the display. Charge by plugging the included USB-C power cable into the monitor's USB-C charging port. Plug the adapter into the power outlet. The red indicator light turns on during charging and turns off when charging is complete. Step 1. Use the included adapter to power on the camera. Step 2. Press Setting to open the menu, then press OK to enter the pairing screen. Step 3. Press OK to select pairing. Step 4. Press the up or down button to select the channel for pairing, then press OK to confirm. Note: an asterisk before a channel indicates it is already paired. Step 5. Press the button on the back of the camera once to confirm pairing. After pairing is complete, the image will appear on the screen. Press the channel switch button to change channels. Press the menu back button to enter or exit the menu interface. Press and hold the mic button to talk, and your voice will be played through the camera. Tap the volume, brightness icon to quickly enter adjustment mode. Press the volume up, down buttons to adjust the volume level. Press the brightness up, down buttons to adjust the brightness level. Long press zoom in to zoom in. 2 zoom levels only. Third press resets. Press and hold the music button to play music. When music is playing, short press the music button for next song. Long press the music button again to turn off the music. Press the up, down, left, right buttons to adjust the camera's viewing angle. Press the menu button to enter the menu interface. First icon, pair camera channel signal. The second, third, and fourth icons switch to single screen, dual screen, and quad split modes. Fifth icon, cycle modes. When on, camera channels auto switch. The sixth icon is used to delete paired cameras. Press the back button to return to menu mode. LCD screen runtime setting. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired time. If not needed, select off. Temperature detection and alarm settings. Enable or disable temperature alarms. If not needed, select off. Feeding reminder time setting. Go into the menu to set the feeding reminder time. When the alarm sounds, press OK to stop it. Voice activation, Vox, settings. Use the up and down arrows to select the volume detection sensitivity level. Lullaby selection. Choose from lullabies 1 to 6. You can also set all 6 tracks to loop. Zoom setting. Select zoom level 1.5x, 2x. If you do not wish to zoom, select off. System, setup, reset, version, time, mount direction.